Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and also welcome to my new subscribers and viewers. Please feel at home because we're all family and wants to achieve the same goal on our hair care journey, and that's healthier, longer, thicker and faster hair growth, etc. So in today's video, we are going to make onion oil from scratch to help promote faster hair growth, and I'm here to guide you guys. To make onion oil, depending on the amount of onion oil you want, you're going to need onion itself, and this is what it looks like. I am going to use 2 onions, and I'm going to remove the skin from the onion and dice the onion in small pieces. After dicing the onions to my liking, I am going to go ahead and add them to my magic bullet. You can use your blender, and then I'm going to go ahead and add my oils, carrier oils. Guys, you can use any oils of your choice. Today I am using jojoba oil, sunflower oil and almond oil, and I'm just adding. I'm not really measuring it, to be honest with you, but I just know how much I want. So it's up to you depending on the amount of oil you want. And then I'm going to blend everything together until I get a smooth consistency. Here is why you should start using onion oil if you haven't already. Onion oil has known to strengthen split ends and prevent breakage and firm hair strands. It also helps to maintain the pH of the scalp and hair roots, which facilitates the growth of new hair follicles. After blending everything thoroughly, this is what I get, a thick paste. So it's really thick, but it's really smooth as well. Then I'm going to warm a pan. You please use a non-stick pot. And then I'm going to add the mixture to the pan and put it on medium to low heat. Please remember to always stir the mixture because you don't want it to stick. Also, this is going to take a little while, guys. It's going to take about 30 to 40 minutes before the oil is ready. So this is after a few minutes, maybe 15 minutes. As you can see, the oil is coming up. You just have to keep stirring it, make sure it's not sticky, make sure you don't burn it. I got busy doing something else, guys, and it burnt a little, but not bad. So it's still good, it's still usable. Just please watch it carefully and don't let this happen to you. So I'm just going to turn off the stove and put it aside to cool down. And when it's cooled down, I'm going to strain the oil off with a cheesecloth, or you can use a stocking cap, whatever you have. Today I will be share with you guys some of the amazing benefits of using onion oil on your hair and scalp. Onion oil is known to improve hair texture, can be used as a natural conditioner, fights bacterial infection, delays premature graying, prevents breakage and thinning, stimulates hair growth. You can also go ahead and do your own research on the benefits of onion oil. When straining your oil, guys, I will recommend using a bigger, wider bowl because this got really messy and it became really difficult to strain it in that jar because the head or the top was so small. So I will advise to use a wider head container. After straining my onion oil, these are the trash or residue that left, and this is our onion oil, guys. It looks amazing. It smells awful. Now we're going to add some essential oils as well as vitamin E oil to help to preserve and the smell of the oil. The oil smell awful and the essential oils will help with the smell. So I am adding TeaTree Oil, Clove Oil, Cedarwood Oil, Lavender Oil, Sage Oil, and Peppermint Oil. And these gonna help with the smell because onion have such a strong smell. It's so hard to get rid of. So I'm just gonna add vitamin E oil to also help with the shelf life of the oil. So I'm gonna stir everything together, guys. Make sure it's all mixed. All the ingredients will be in my description, guys, so please check out my description for details. Now we're going to go ahead and bottle up our oil, and honestly, guys, I think I got more than I thought I would have gotten because I got this bottle here full as well as another bottle that same size, half. So now that our oil is ready, let's go ahead and test it. The smell is not completely gone, but it's way better than how it smelled without the essential oils. So here we are testing the oil. It smells, as I said, it may smell 85% better than it did before I add the essential oils. But you can also go ahead and add more lavender oil or cedarwood oil to help with the smell if you still cannot stand the scent of the oil. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys. As many of you know, my major setback on my hair care journey, I have been doing a lot of DIYs to restore and regrow my hair. So whenever I make something that I think will be beneficial for others, I tend to share, and I hope it will be beneficial for you guys as well. Onion oil is very beneficial on your hair care journey, and I made this onion oil to achieve faster hair growth. Currently, my hair is in cornrows because I've been wearing wigs I've been doing this for many years. This is my routine. I cornrow my hair. I wear protective style and cornrow my hair for months. Wearing my protective style for months, wash my hair, and it has never been damaged before. So I saw the people talking about it was the fact that I was wearing my cornrow for 4 weeks and protective style and blah blah blah. But this is what I've been doing for years, and ever since I started my hair care journey, this is my routine, and it has never affected my hair but actually grow and flourish my hair. So I know for sure it wasn't nothing to do with my routine, because it has been working for me for years. The only change was the product. So of course I'm gonna stick to what I know for sure helps to grow and keep my hair healthy and strong and thick. So after applying the oil to my scalp, I'm going to massage it in and use my hand to saturate the oil all over my hair as well to make sure every single strand get TLC. I hope this video was very helpful and you guys learned something from it. So let's go on this new hair care journey together, guys. And please remember, even if you do all this, you have to tie your hair down with a satin or silk scarf or wear a satin or silk bonnet. I am totally ready for my new hair care journey, and I want you guys to come on it with me.